very good evening to all of you friends. A very good evening to all of you. On behalf of BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive preparation app for all exams, I, Surajit Bhaduri, welcome each and every one of you for today's live session on Legal Reasoning Part 17. So friends, those of you who are preparing for CLAT and other law entrance examination, do subscribe for this fantastic YouTube page of us. So friends, a very warm and a hearty welcome to each and every one of you. Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep. So friends, in today's session, we shall be discussing some important legal reasoning questions for CLAT 2022 as well as for CLAT 2023. But before that, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive preparation course along with foundation module for CLAT 2023. BYJU'S Exam Prep also brings to you an express course for Maharashtra CET, ALET, SLAT, BLET and Jamia LLB 2022. So apart from CLAT, we also have an express course for Maharashtra CET, ALET, SLAT, BLET and Jamia LLB 2022. Do enroll yourself for scoring in these particular entrance examination. BYJU'S Exam Prep also brings to you a crash course for CLAT 2022. So if you want to ace CLAT 2022, do join this particular course. So friends, let's start. Read the passage given on your screen and then we shall have to answer certain questions relating to this particular passage. Okay, so here is a particular passage which deals with impossibility of contract, section 56. Okay, that is what we call as contracts which are by frustrated. Okay, frustration of a contract. This particular section deals with frustration of a contract. Something that is impossible of performance is called frustrated. Okay, are we done? Are we done reading with this particular slide, guys? Okay, so moving on to the next slide. Okay, are we done? Are we done reading with this slide, friends? Okay? Okay, fantastic. Let's move to question number 1. Read the question very carefully and give me the correct answer. Okay, so here a person has entered into a contract. Xavier enters into a contract with a magician, and the magician promises that he is going to make a pot of gold out of thin air on a payment of advance. And he also claims that this is not illusion but a real magic work. Now, please tell me one thing, friends. Is it possible to make gold pot from thin air, from nothing? Can you make a pot of gold out of nothing? No, it is not possible. See, this is an illusion, can be an illusion. It cannot be a real thing. So how can you make a pot of gold out of thin air? It is not possible. Am I clear? So the correct answer is it is impossible to make a pot of gold out of thin air, and hence this particular contract is hit by section 56 of the Indian Contract Act. This contract is void. Option C. It is impossible. Therefore, a contract to do such an act is void. Have I made myself clear to each and every one? Very good, very good. Okay, did you all understand? Did each and every one of you understand? Okay, fantastic. So the correct answer is option C. It is not possible to make a pot of gold from thin air. Moving on to question number 2. Now, a contract has been entered into between Maria and Rebello to get married in January 2019, 1st of January 2019. Now, in 2018, between September and November, Rebello's mental condition starts deteriorating and he is subsequently hospitalized in a mental institution. That means he is getting disillusioned, he is getting mad, right? Insanity. Now, is the contract valid? The contract that was entered into between Maria and Rebello. And the correct answer is that the contract to enter into marriage is void as the event which led to the non-performance happened subsequent to the contract. So after the contract, if one of the parties becomes mad, then can the contract be still valid? No, it is not. Is that clear? So the correct answer is option C. Is that clear, all of you? Is that clear, all of you? Very good, very good, very good. So guys, if you are liking today's session, do press the like button. Question number 3. So a Portugal company, a shipping company, ABC, enters into a contract for transportation of coal with one of its subsidiaries in Netherlands. Now, during that intervening period, Portugal declares war with Netherlands, and because of which all cargo ships from Portugal are not allowed to depart for Netherlands. Now, this is what we mean by section 56. Indian Contract Act. Frustration of a contract owing to that circumstance of a particular war. It is not possible for the contract to be effectuated. Have I made myself clear? So the correct answer is option D. Option D is the right answer. Most of you got it right. Very good, very good, very good. Good, good. So definitely guys, do press the bell icon to get notifications for all our new videos from YouTube. Moving on to question number 4. It is the weather department that had issued warning of strong tidal waves, and the weather department restricted everyone to assess the beach. So, what is the correct answer? This is as strong tidal waves are not the fault of either of the parties, which rendered the contract impossible to be performed. So this is what we call as a contract that is frustrated, section 56. Is that clear? Is that clear to each and every one of you? Is that clear? It is not possible for that person to shoot in that place owing to the fact that there is restrictions. Is that clear to all of you? Okay. Question number 5. Now, this particular situation is not what we understand by frustration of a contract. He can get it from someone else. So the correct answer is A's obligation under the contract continues to exist, as the procuring of goods by A can possibly be done by more methods rather than procuring it from C itself. So the correct answer over here is option B. Have I made myself clear? Have I made myself clear to each and every one of you? This is not at all frustration of a contract. This is not at all a frustration of a contract. Am I clear? Oshni Gupta B, Abhishek Yadav B, Suleiman B, Yash Walia B. Very good. Very Hari Om V. Very good. Very good. So the correct answer over here is option B. Is that clear? Okay? So friends, did you like today's session? If you have liked, do press the like button. Okay? So friends, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a booster course on legal affairs and current events for CLAT 2022. Do join this particular course. It's a very good course for CLAT 2022 aspirants. In this course, you get build CLAT 2022 concepts for legal affairs, current events, and static GK from scratch for beginners, expert guidance by NLU alumni until the day of your exam, progress assessment test to gauge your performance at regular intervals, and highly interactive doubt clearing session. So friends, with this we come to the end of today's session. I hope you liked it. Thank you very, very much. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. See you soon. Thank you.